The Iceland School of Energy is an interdisciplinary graduate school based here at Reykjavik University in the Department of Engineering, which focuses on a wide range of interdisciplinary energy issues, specifically focusing on sustainable energy. Iceland, of course, is well known for its geothermal energy utilization. So a lot of countries with geothermal have sort of partnered with us through the Erasmus Plus programs in order to help develop their own education as well as develop the education system here. Some sort of model countries that would stick out that we've worked with closely would be places like Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Colombia, Chile. All of these countries we've been able to work with because of support from the Erasmus projects. Some of the direct benefits would be both an increase in the amount of international students as well as the diversity of countries that they're coming from. Diversity of background and diversity of knowledge and diversity of disciplines is really important, we think, into having sort of a holistic education program. In particular, the Columbia project has led to us having 2 to 3 full-time master's students coming from Columbia, both granted by the Colombian government, as well as being given a scholarship by Reykjavik University here. But in addition to that, I think there's lots of external benefits that can be seen in both the research topics that some of our faculty and students have been engaging in. So they're able to go into these countries like Colombia and actually work on a very applicable, interesting, real-world style project. That has both relevance to the university here, but one of the things that we thought was most important is relevance to industrial interests, so both in Colombia and Iceland. So Icelandic companies working with Colombian companies, universities working on the research topics, connecting companies and students and actual projects together. We had a student, international student, who was here in a full-time master's project, and the student was very interested in an area of the energy industry which was developing very quickly in Colombia. Through this project, we were able to send the student to Colombia. She worked on a 6-month research project in Colombia, doing field research, working with people directly there, came back here to Iceland, and one of the most interesting things about it is that an Icelandic consulting company saw the project that she had done. They had already been interested in development in this area, and then they hired on the student to work full-time, and now they're working on a variety of projects all over the world, similar to what they were sort of given the opportunity to do because of this Erasmus project. The understanding of what kind of projects you can become involved with, how you can use it to both develop your own projects, develop your own programs, develop this university as a whole to become a better university. I think that understanding is getting around quite quickly. So I know, speaking to some of my colleagues, many of them are very interested in becoming involved in a lot of these international projects that have been supported through the Erasmus Plus projects and supported, of course, by Raunis and its excellent staff in helping you sort of get to this kind of funding.